Today's video is an honest review of TubeBuddy's Star license, going through all the different licensing packages that they offer, giving you my opinion on thoughts on the different levels, which one I would use, which one I am using. If you're interested in these types of videos, please like and subscribe, help me grow the channel. I'm going to have a whole rifle of my reviews on how I've got to monetization. So we talked about it in my monetization video, and I'll share the link here for that video, how I got the monetization and the tips to do that. I did say that we would cover TubeBuddy in detail, so I'm doing a package of different videos. This one today is going to be on the Star package, just the features available in the license. I will also do Pro, and I will also do the Basic, and then we will do a compare on what I believe is the best one for your channel, especially for beginners, guys. When I started the journey, it's, you know, there is a lot of help out there, but a lot of it costs a lot of money, and I'm just trying to give you as best advice, ways to get your channel up and running. For the Star package, guys, is one of the dearer ones. It's $19. You can go for a build annually, which could be an option, but like anything, you should try something first before committing to a year subscription. Alexa, how much is $19 in pounds?
$19 is about £13.76.
So you're looking at $19, which is in and around about £15. You know, if you were to subscribe to sort of $19 a month, that's going to eat massively into your revenue, especially if your channel is only up and coming. Okay, so underneath the pricing, if you scroll down, it'll actually tell you the extra features that you get with the Star package, as you can see here. Obviously, you get a lot more when you compare it to the free, but to the Pro, schedule, publish, schedule video update, and sunset videos. Now, I'll go through the features that I specifically like, but a lot of people love the sunset videos, and it's not really something that I use on my channel, but we'll go over it now. Sunset videos, schedule videos to be hidden and removed from playlist at a future date and time. So this is why you need it. You need to set a video's privacy or private or unlisted at a certain time in the future. You want to remove video from some of all your video playlists at a certain time in the future. Protect yourself against licensed content. It's not something that I need, but it obviously has a great benefit for a lot of people, but it's not something that I would use on my channel, so I'm not going to go over that in any detail today. The scheduled publish, guys, you can do that free on YouTube anyway, so I'm not too sure why they're advertising that as a feature. If you scroll down here, this is the key. Bulk processing tools. It saves you so much time, and we're going to go into that. I'm going to show you a tutorial about that in a moment. Video SEO tools, the extra feature you get is a limited search rank tracking, which I love, and we will go over that in a moment. There is also the opportunity finder, which is a cool enough feature as well. Star will allow you directly to publish to Facebook. Again, TubeBuddy is all about saving time, and if you use Facebook, that is a great tool to have. I personally don't really post too much on Facebook, just because it's the main social platform that I use just for me and my family and friends. I don't use it as an outlet, rightly or wrongly, so it's not a feature that I would use. You also get one limited brand alert. Again, not a feature that I specifically use for my stock channel, but it would be a good thing if you're interested in certain brands. I could definitely see how that feature would be good, especially if you're doing product reviews, things like that. But again, for my channel, it's not something that I will use or cover today. Channel backup, it speaks for itself. If you use that, fair enough. And that is the features, guys. And there's no problem paying for something if it's worth it. This is the features that I like. So as you can see, I am on the Star license. And one of the features that I like about the Star license, and the reason why I think it's worth an upgrade, is because I can go through now and actually change old videos. As your channel develops, you will add more affiliate links, you'll perhaps add more descriptions, your channel will grow, more recommendations, so on and so forth. And what I like about doing it is if I can go to bulk, I can find and replace text. So if I click on this, for example, you have all these different options. You can find text, insert after text, remove and delete text. And in this scenario, guys, I'm actually going to remove and delete text. If I go to this old video, there's this affiliate link that I used to use because I actually was using Coinbase Pro for day trading, but I have since moved on, and I don't think it's fair to be promoting affiliate link that I am no longer using. So I have inputted this. These settings are all fine in this scenario because I want them to search everywhere. So if we click the next button, I want to search all my videos. Yes, I do. You can choose different videos. You can choose specific videos that you want, maybe a playlist. But in this scenario, I want to find everything. So as you can see, it'll search through all found, not found. This is saying where it's found in the description. So all my videos that had it is in the description. Not all the videos will have it. As you can see, there's a lot that don't. Some that I didn't use the affiliate link, and then some of my newer videos that I just chose not to put it in automatically. So now I'm going to choose all. You can manually click which videos you would want, but in this scenario, I'm happy for everyone that has this description for it to be removed. So I'm hitting all the boxes are ticked, and then I hit continue. So it is saying here, please confirm that you want this to be removed in all your videos, and I do want that, so yes, please do it, and I hit start, and then that process will automatically go through. It'll change every single one of those videos that I have chosen, and as you can see, it just goes right through them. Very simple, straightforward to do, and that is now updated all my videos to remove that. And we will try other things here. You can do many different things, change codes, change links, update perhaps, for example, if I wanted to share video links for my most recent videos. So there is plenty of features there that are very good. With the basic package, you can also do video to video, which means that you can insert text at the start or at the end of any description. So that is something that you could use if you wanted to do the free trial, but it just doesn't look too pretty when there's just a blanket set of text at the start or at the end of your description. It might ruin the flow of your videos, so this is better. And as you can see, we're almost at the end now. It's gone through over 110 different videos, so now it comes up complete and it's done. So if I go back out to my channel here and let's just see, we'll pick one here, we'll hold this one. For example, one of the older ones that this definitely would have had the link in. Now we scroll down, we can see here, it is no longer there. Another feature that you also get with Star is this search rank tracking, keywords to track and ranking reports. So I've already plugged into, and if I add another keyword, we'll add it in. You can see here, Star, you get up to 5, Legend 50, and Enterprise is unlimited. So I've got over 3 ones. So I'm going to search for ABML stock, which is one of the stocks that I've covered many times on the channel. So I'm hoping that this will show that I'm ranked up quite high. These are some of the other tags. I've only started using Belfast Investor the last couple of videos, so I'm not expecting that to show much. If we go to ranking and regenerate ranking report, this will then bring up where I'm ranking. So this is a key thing. As you can see here, Argo blockchain, this is the video I done the other day. YouTube is ranking me as number 1. That is exactly where you want to be. Now, if you scroll down, you can see here some of my older videos are ranked lower, even for 35. So what I could possibly do here would be to change the tags, change the description or whatever it may be. Something that you can see here, for example, that's maybe not working is I don't have the ARBKF tag in these 2 videos, hence the reason why they're so much lower. So that would be something that I would perhaps look to do, and I will change. So then I can go and do that. ABML, I'm not ranked too highly in these ones. It's unfortunate, but that is just the way that it is. I've actually done more videos than that, so something would tell me there that I haven't used the tag in enough of the videos, so I need to go in and make alterations to my other ones. And Belfast Investor ranked 21, which isn't great either, but then again, I'm not using it in my title, so it's all part of that. But that is a good feature to let me see how my progress is working and how I can improve if I want to specifically search on those tags and generate more people to my channel based on this tag. So that's the video, guys. Hopefully you find this one informative. If you have, please smash that like button and subscribe button. I will give you a final video which will compare all the different levels, different pricing points for TubeBuddy, and I do believe that they're all of benefit at different stages of your channel. So I will talk about in the final video what level your channel is perhaps at and what package is best for you. And if you are interested in joining TubeBuddy for any of the packages, the link is down below. Hit that, you'll get straight to the website and you can start your TubeBuddy journey today. Please leave any comments down below, and until next time, enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.